In this session, we're going to see a business model which I like to call Freeterprise, which is really a sort of hybrid between like a freemium and an enterprise business model. In a Freeterprise, pretty much the enterprise company uses the same leverage and understanding of the market that a freemium, consumer company has, or like company that deals with small businesses or B2B has, to actually turns those free users into enterprise accounts. One example of this funnel is actually one of the most successful companies that managed to do that is definitely Zoom, the video conferencing software. If you know like Zoom, you know that it is a free software that can be set up by anyone. The free accounts, and the experience is pretty much smooth, and you can start using Zoom with little or understanding of the software, because it's very simple to use. Now, why do Freeterprise business model work in the first place? Well, in reality, the Freeterprise works when you're leveraging again the freemium business model, but then you also have a qualified team or salespeople and a funnel in place, which is also in part automated, where you can identify which of the free users fall inside one category or another category of customers. Because, for instance, if in the case of companies like Zoom, you might have on one side small and medium businesses and the other side enterprise customers. You know that if free accounts are coming to you, you're creating network effects, and the more people join within an organization, the more then is going to be the chance for you to bring in the whole enterprise account or the small business. But in the case of a small business, you're going to leverage on salespeople, which are called inside sales. So those are people that work within the organization. So they are inside the office, your office, the office of the company, which will help you acquire those small and medium businesses. When it comes instead to enterprise accounts, it's very important instead that your funnel is structured so that you can understand how the team is comprised, and you're gonna get field sales representatives, those people who will hang out in the company of the customer if possible, or they will spend a lot of time with the enterprise account just to understand how the team is comprised, who moves the budget, what are the use cases that are needed within the organization, which department makes sense to start with, and then how to expand the contract, how to make the contract go from a pilot to a scaled up project, and from the scaled up how to make the contract mature over time. And that's how you close enterprise customers. So again, the Freeterprise business model, it's very interesting because it leverages on an existing model like the freemium, but it uses those logics to actually bring in either small and medium businesses accounts with inside sales or enterprise accounts with field sales. And if you're able to leverage this kind of model, you can build a valuable enterprise company by using the same logic of companies that deal with consumers or with smaller businesses.